Let's have a look at another example involving expanding brackets. So we're going to expand 2x, open the bracket, 4x minus 3xy, close the bracket. So that means 2x times by 4x minus 3xy. I'm going to start off by drawing in my red arrows to show me which multiplications I have to make. And so, if I write out the next line, we get 2x times by 4x, and then we get the 2x times by the minus 3xy. Now I'm going to do a couple of extra steps in this problem that once you're confident you'll be able to skip out. And so I'm going to have a look at what 2x times by 4x actually looks like. Well, 2x means 2 times by x, and we're going to times that by 4 times by x. Make sure you're happy with what I've just written here in red, and that it's the same as what you see above. For the next part, I've got plus 2 times by x times by minus 3 times by x times by y. And so it looks like this when written out in full. Now the thing with multiplication is it doesn't matter which order you multiply together items in, you'll always get the same answer. So for example 4 times by 5 of course is the same as 5 times by 4. So I'm going to rearrange the order now, and I'm going to start off with the numbers in each term first. So the first term can be written as 2 times by 4 times by x times by x, and the second term can be written as 2 times by minus 3 times by x times by x times by y. So I've just changed the order. Now I'm going to perform these multiplications, and so for the first part we will have 2 times by 4 is 8, and x times by x can be written as x squared. For the second term, I've got 2 times by minus 3, so that's going to give me minus 6. X times by x is x squared, and then we've got the y. So we can write this down as minus 6x squared y. So the overall answer here would be 8x squared minus 6x squared y. And our objective will be to be able to answer these problems without doing that stage in red in between. Let's give that a try now. So in this example I'm going to expand 2ab times by 4a minus 5b plus 3ab. And I've started off just by putting my arrows in again to show which multiplications we're going to be making. Now the first one is 2ab times by 4a. If I multiply the numbers together I get 2 4s are 8. There'll be an a times by a in there, which I can write as a squared, and of course the b. So the first part will be 8a squared b. Now we're going to multiply 2ab by minus 5b. So the 2 times by minus 5 will give me minus 10. The a is there, and I've got b times by b, which is b squared. And so we'll get minus 10ab squared. We now need to do the final multiplication. So we do the 2 times by 3, which will give me 6, a times by a squared, and the b times by b squared, which will give me 6a squared, b squared. And that's the final answer.